Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best kitchen finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The iDesign Gia Stainless Steel Dish Sponge Holder. Basket by Interdesign is a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen, made of high-quality stainless steel. This sponge holder is designed to fit conveniently by the sink for easy access while keeping your space organized. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance to the overall look, making it a suitable choice for various kitchen decor styles. Its rust-resistant feature ensures long-term durability, maintaining its quality even with constant exposure to water and moisture. With dimensions of 2.25 inches in diameter, 2.5 inches in width, and 5.75 inches in height, this sponge holder offers ample space to accommodate standard-sized sponges. The design is simple, yet effective, allowing the sponge to dry properly between uses and preventing bacterial growth. The iDesign Gia Stainless Steel Dish Sponge Holder Basket comes in standard packaging, emphasizing practicality and ease of use. Whether you are looking to declutter your sink area,
The DeWalt DPG8211 Concealer Clear Anti-Fog Dual Mold Safety Goggle is a remarkable piece of protective eyewear by DeWalt. Designed with safety and comfort in mind, these goggles are a must-have for individuals working in various environments. The clear color and full rim frame made of high-quality plastic not only provide a professional appearance, but also ensure durability and sturdiness. One of the key features of these safety goggles is the anti-fog coating, which helps maintain clear visibility even in challenging conditions. This is essential for ensuring that users can focus on their tasks without any hindrance. The dual mold design enhances the overall fit and comfort of the goggles, making them suitable for extended wear without causing discomfort. DeWalt, known for its high-quality products, has once again delivered a reliable safety goggle that meets the expectations of users. Its sleek design combined with practical features makes it a versatile accessory for various.
The Blackstone 1528 600D Polyester Heavy-Duty Flat-Top Gas Grill. Cover by Blackstone is a reliable and durable option for protecting your outdoor grill investment. Made from high-quality polyester material, this cover is built to last and withstand various weather conditions. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. Measuring 66.5 inches in length, 22.5 inches in width, and 26 inches in height. This cover is designed to fit securely over your gas grill. The buckle closure type ensures a snug and secure fit, providing added protection against elements such as rain, wind, dust, and UV rays. Whether you have a Blackstone grill or another brand, this cover offers universal compatibility and adequate coverage. It is easy to clean and maintain, allowing you to keep your grill looking brand new for years to come. Overall, the Blackstone 1528 600D Polyester Heavy-Duty Flat-Top Gas Grill cover is a practical and stylish solution for prolonging the life of your outdoor grill.
The X-Home Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that will revolutionize the way you prepare and enjoy cheese-based dishes. Crafted with high-quality acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material, this manual cheese shredder ensures durability and long-lasting performance. This cheese grater's vibrant blue color adds a touch of style to your kitchen, while its compact dimensions of 7L into 4W into 4H make it easy to store and handle. Weighing just 1.7 pounds, it is lightweight and ergonomic, providing you with a comfortable grip and effortless shredding experience. The X-Home Rotary Cheese Grater is not only suitable for grating cheese, but also works well with a variety of ingredients such as chocolate nuts and vegetables. Its razor-sharp blades deliver precise and uniform shredding results, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast, a professional chef, or simply someone who enjoys adding a sprinkle of grated cheese,
The ergonomic Food Mill Stainless Steel by the Hungry Artisan is a versatile and high-quality kitchen tool designed for grinding and milling fresh fruits and vegetables. Made of durable stainless steel, this food mill is built to last and ensures efficient and precise results with every use. Whether you are making sauces, soups, jams, or other culinary creations, This food mill is perfect for extracting the puree and flavors from your ingredients. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and the dimensions of 15.5 L into 8W into 3.5 H provide ample space for processing ingredients in large quantities. With the ergonomic food mill in stainless steel, you can say goodbye.